Hey guys, welcome to Knowledge. This is a special video for you to give an insight about the new revised curriculum released by the CBSE for the year 2020-21. 30% of your syllabus is reduced. The focus here is to retain the core concepts which will help you in higher classes. So by now, you all should have an idea about what are all the topics that are omitted. But as of now, none of the chapters are fully omitted, but only a few parts for which you can say that okay, doesn't make a big difference, right? So let's take a look at the new syllabus in detail. Here in number systems, the chapter is real numbers. Here the portion which is deleted is Euclids Division lemma. So in your textbook, here it is, Euclids Division lemma. So this portion is now omitted. So the theorem related to Euclids division lemma is omitted, and so your exercise number 1.1 is completely omitted. Okay, so then next one is polynomials, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. Here division algorithm. So in your polynomials, division algorithm for polynomials, the entire portions from here, you have only till exercise number 2.2. From here on, you won't be, there is no need for you to do the division problems from now on. So exercise number 2.3 is fully omitted. So even the word problems related to that is omitted. Okay. So your next one is pair of linear equations in two variables. The portions which is omitted is cross multiplication method. So here cross multiplication method, here from here it is omitted, cross multiplication is omitted, so you don't have to do this exercise. A portion, a few parts from exercise number 3.5 is omitted. So here this cross multiplication, this is omitted, 1, 2 and 3. From here 3, it is asked to do it, solve it using substitution and cross multiplication method, but you can do it with substitution method and ignore this cross multiplication method. So from here you can choose and ignore the cross multiplication method alone. And you have the word problems. You can do it and solve it using the other two algebraic methods, right? So it is there. Then next thing is in quadratic equations, situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. Situational problems here in quadratic equation is, it has a lot of situational problems, so you are lucky that all are omitted now. So here your from exercise number 4.1, your second sum is omitted. You have 4 parts in it, it is completely omitted. And the word problems from 4.2 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is omitted. And in 4.3, your second sum, second sum is there, but you don't have to do it from 4 to 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is completely not in your syllabus now. Okay, so and then coming to 4.4, 3, 4 and 5 is not there. And then the next chapter is arithmetic progressions, application in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. In here sum of first n terms of AP. So sum, this problem, the last part of the chapter is omitted. So here, from here, if you see, you will have to do all the small problems related to sum, but only the situational problems, statement problems, I think. Application solving daily life problems. Okay, daily life problems means then from 15 to I think till 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All the 6 problems are not there for your exams this time. Okay. Then is coordinate geometry, area of a triangle. Okay, in coordinate geometry, the first part is there. The area of a triangle, this portion is omitted. So this has a formula, so you can omit the finding area of a triangle using formula. So 7.3, this entire exercise is not there for your exams now. Okay, now coming to triangles. Proof. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Okay, in triangles. In triangles, I think it is exercise number, yeah. No, here it is. Squares of their, here, areas of similar triangles. This theorem number 6.6 is not there for your exams this time. Okay, so exercise number 6.4 will not be there for your exam. So this complete exercise is now omitted. And same way, here theorem number 6.9. Okay, this is, I think, yeah, it is the inverse of Pythagoras theorem. So this is not there for your exam. You have Pythagoras theorem, but inverse of Pythagoras theorem is omitted. So the problems related to inverse of Pythagoras theorem from this exercise number 6.5, you will have to choose it. We can do that while doing the exercise, and then we can ignore it. Okay. Your circles, next chapter, circles, no deletion. It means you will have the complete chapter. You will have to learn all from this chapter. There are, I think, 2 exercises in circles. We will have to do both. Constructions. Construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle. In constructions, we actually have 2 parts where you have to draw a triangle similar to the triangle given, and then you will have to draw the constructing of a circle. So here construction of triangle, construction of triangle is removed, so you don't have to study constructing a triangle. You just have to look into this constructing of a circle. Okay, next one is trigonometry. Here it is introduction to trigonometry. It is given that motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 to 90 degree and 90 degrees. Yeah, in here trigonometry ratios 0 to 90 degree. This portion is completely not there for your exam. So while doing this exercise, I think we will have to choose from here. Whichever is related to the topic which I just told you will be omitted. And same way, here trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is omitted. So that way this complete exercise 8.3 will be omitted from for your exams. Okay. Next one is heights and distances, no deletion, which means that you will have to learn the full chapter. Then coming to areas related to circles, problems on central angle of 120 degree. Yeah. Here. Central angle of 120 degree comes here. Problems related to this type of sums. Okay. So this will be omitted. From here we will have to choose. Here, for example, here 7 sum. This is omitted. Okay, with angle with 120 degrees. And you will have, this is included here, areas of plane figures will be included for your exam. So this is the only thing which is omitted in this chapter. Then come surface areas and volumes. Here the part that is removed is frustum of cone. Frustum of cone is completely new for 10th standard, 10th class. So that part, frustum of cone, is completely omitted. So this last part of this chapter is omitted. So exercise number 3.4, entire exercise is not there for your exams this time. Okay. Next one is statistics. step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. Okay, in statistics you will have the step deviation method. You totally have 3 type of methods for doing finding the mean. Here, step deviation method. Out of this 3, the third one is the step deviation method. This is now omitted, so this method is ignored now. This time we don't have to study this. And same way, cumulative frequency graph means the graph part of this chapter is completely omitted, so you don't have to do the graph exam. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution is now not there for your exam, so this part is entirely not there for your exam, so you don't have to learn the graph from here. Next one is probability, no deletion, which means that you will have to learn the whole chapter. So probability, the whole chapter is there, and that was the reduced portions. These portions are omitted, keeping in mind the pandemic situation where your class hours are going to be less and you still have very little time for revision. So in order to reduce your burden and the stress level, this drastic step has been taken. Okay, but I personally would recommend you that you can cover at least the concepts from your omitted portions. You need not work on all the problems, but you can just give it a glance with the flow. Okay, because this will help you if you are going to appear for your competitive exams like JEE and so on. So that was my piece of advice, and I will try to cover the entire portions as earlier as possible, and you keep following me for an easy and quick learning experience. So subscribe to my channel right away so that you don't miss the easy and convenient learning techniques that I'm going to cover. So until we meet in the next video, bye bye.